Many businesses struggle with slow payment processes, which can leave them strapped for cash and unable to pay their own bills on time. This can actually have a ripple effect, impacting not just the business, but also its employees and suppliers. Cash flow is the lifeblood of any business, and when payments are slow, it can be tough to keep things running.
I'm pretty tired.
Invoices can get lost in the mail or buried under a pile of paperwork, leading to delayed payments and hugely frustrated customers.
For God's sakes, Jim, I'm a doctor, not a fool, man!
Join me as I take on the challenge of finding out how to get paid many times faster by your customers. Let's see what strategies really work. Getting paid faster by customers is a game changer for businesses. It can make all the difference in their cash flow and the ability to operate smoothly. I have been on a mission to solve this for small businesses for over 10 years. I've seen poor cash flow kill way too many businesses, and I've been absolutely horrified at big corporates paying our customers of Crunch, in particular small businesses, that absolutely depend on good cash flow some 120 days later. Not what the terms and conditions state as 30 days. I think I've found the ultimate strategy, so let me guide you through all of the strategies until I show you the ultimate hack for speeding those payments up to you. Here's all the obvious strategies before I get to the ultimate faster payment strategy. This is super obvious, but getting the invoice out the door as soon as possible is half the battle. This means the payment will come back to you faster. I've always marvelled at the on-the-ball tradespeople who use their accounting software to do a quote or invoice. It's with me in seconds. Be like these tradespeople and get that invoice out as fast as you can. And quite frankly, you don't need to perfectly finish all the work off before you send your invoice, but get it out the door. Always use accounting software. It's so much faster. And as I've explained, it's fully trackable in lots of cases. You can then set up automated payment reminders, which prove so handy, allowing you to get on with what you're great at. You can try offering a discount for prompt payments. Say within 7 days, it could be 10% off. And to discourage late payments, you are perfectly within your rights to charge a late penalty fee and interest. Now, it's also perfectly fine to contact your customer just before the due date and remind them that the payment will be due. Oh, and don't believe you have to give 30 days terms to your clients, but do get the terms agreed up front. Some bigger businesses and their accounts payable teams cannot cope with shorter time frames, so fit in as required. A small business client may be able to support 14 days, but don't stretch beyond 30 days in any case. You are giving credit, and quite frankly, you are not a bank. But there is one strategy which I've proven time and time again to deliver over 3 times faster payments back to you, and that is by adding an instant payment method in the invoice and offering every possible payment service in there, so you make it so simple for your end customer to pay the bill, and they can literally do it there and then. Now, as you know, I've spent the last 15 years developing Crunch accounting software and making it better and better and better every year. So I'm very pleased to welcome you and introduce you to Crunch Pay, where your customers can pay your invoice in literally seconds. Instant bank transfer, credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, direct debit, you name it, it's in there, all within a link in the heart of your invoice. In a flash that delivers consistently 3x faster payments to you, meaning your cash flow will finally flow and you can focus on what you're really good at. So cue our lovely Crunch Pay ad. Thanks so much to Luke for producing it. You are ever amazing. Waiting to get paid? Chasing invoices? Forget all of that. With Crunch Pay, get paid faster, easier and without the stress, using almost any available payment method. Just send, get paid, sort it. It's faster and easier for you and your clients. Just send your client an invoice from the Crunch app, and a personalised payment link can be turned on. Cash flow shouldn't keep you up at night. Activate CrunchPay today and take control of your invoices.